Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make dal tadka at home. It's easy to make and tastes just like what you get from restaurants. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. For this recipe I'm using 3 types of dal, half a cup of masoor dal, quarter cup of toor dal and quarter cup of moong dal. Into a pressure cooker, add the dal, wash it and add. This is 1 cup of dal, so I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Keep for about 3 to 4 whistles. The dal should be nice and mushy. Let it cool down naturally. Keep it aside. Let's make tadka for the dal. For that, into a pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil should be nice and hot. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera, also called cumin. Keep all the ingredients ready. We should be very quick or else it will get burnt. Half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder, also called hing. Add 8 to 9 red chillies. Add 2 tablespoons of onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic and 1 tablespoon of green chillies. Chop everything fine so that it cooks fast. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Mix everything together. Tadka is ready. Spare little tadka to garnish. Now let's add the cooked dal. Dal is cooked well, nice and mushy. Add some salt. If your dal is thick, add a cup of water and bring it to a boil. Finally, add a few curry leaves, some coriander leaves and a tablespoon of butter. Butter will give this dal a creamy texture and taste, so do not skip it. Garnish it with tadka. Our dal is ready. Serve it hot. I'm sure you're going to love it. Do try this recipe and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.